English, Unit 2, Part 3, Conclusion. Counsel Goyal turned to Ramsey Robert. "Who is your master?" he asked briefly. A dull blue light flashed, and after a momentary whirring sound, the robot squeaked in his metallic tone, "Mr. Prem Chopra." "What did you do for Mr. Prem Chopra?" A pause, a whir, then a metallic answer: "Cleaning, moving the lawn, washing, doing dishes, shopping." "Recall in detail your activities of last 6 days," Counsel Goyal interrupted. The memory tape went on mechanically and monotonously. "Opened the boot of the car, emptied the grocery, shut the boot, turned, moved, thirsty steps, stopped, curious shop, on the left, instruction signal, blank, moved after, turned, 20 steps." At this point, the counsel commanded, "Stop, reverse and play again," and there was an obvious pause after the instruction signal. Counsel Goyal stopped the tape. "Notice the pause, Your Honor. Some action is not revealed. What were those instructions? Who gave these instructions?" he questions Ramsey 070. "Information not to be revealed," he responded. "But why? Robots do not disobey masters. Several people who have suffered losses will be harmed if these instructions are not reported." "What were those instructions?" Counsel Lawyer Goyal persuaded. "Robots do not harm people," Ramsey 070 responded mechanically. Many people have suffered." "Speak up, Ramsey 070. Counsel Lawyer Goyal stressed each word. "No, Ramsey," Prem Chopra shouted nervously, but the judge warned, "Keep quiet." "Come on, Ramsey 070, the judge said. Ramsey 070 jerked his head left, then right toward the judge. A clicking sound indicated the hampering of running taps and jamming of caution signals. Peep, 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 peep. The crackling sound and the indigo light intensified. A red light flashed on the forehead of Ramsey Robert, signaling danger. Reporting system failed. Tiny shutters in the center of his chest opened, displaying a small TV screen flashing. System disintegrated. Ramsey Robert had diffused. "Oh no," cried the salesman of Super Robots. "He is diffused. He is dead." There was a whoosh in the courtroom. Silence prevailed for a long in the courtroom. The counsel cleared his throat and said, "Robots do not cause harm to people, and neither can they disobey their masters. Those instructions from Mr. Prem Chopra were not to be revealed. They could have been injurious to his own existence, a threat to the robot's life. If he revealed them, he would disobey his master. If he did not, he would harm others." These conflicts brought Ramsey's end. He chose to break apart rather than to tell a lie, hurting human beings or becoming unfaithful. Traces of pains and depressions marked the counselor's face. The judge pondered for a while and proclaimed, "The court declared Prem Chopra guilty for theft." The counsel picked up his file and with a bow left the courtroom. Thank you.